This video guide will provide step-by-step instructions on how to successfully assemble this cabinet in your home. This cabinet measures 68 inches tall by 32 inches wide by 18 inches deep, so be sure to accurately measure the space where you want to install the cabinet before beginning assembly. The box contains everything needed for proper installation, including top, bottom, back, right side and left side panels, right and left door panels, shelf, brackets, locks, leveling feet, screws, and hex nuts. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Start by aligning the holes and inserting the top panel into the edge of the back panel, and loosely attach using 3 of the screws provided. No need to tighten completely until all screws are in place in step 8. Repeat the previous step, but this time insert the bottom panel into the edge of the back panel. Align the holes and loosely attach using 3 more of the screws provided. Again, don't tighten completely until step 8. Next, attach 2 of the corner brackets to the left side panel. Align the holes and loosely attach using 4 of the screws provided. Once complete, repeat the process for the right side panel. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until step 8. Next, align the holes of the right side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels and loosely attach using 6 of the screws provided. Do not completely tighten all screws until step 8. Now, attach the left side panel to the outside edges of the top and bottom panels. Align the holes before loosely attaching using 6 more of the screws provided. Remember not to tighten the screws completely until step 8. Next, secure the 4 corner brackets from step 4 to the top and bottom panels by aligning the holes and securing with 8 of the screws provided. Remember not to fully tighten until step 8, when all screws will be in place. Lastly, secure the back panel to the side panels using 6 more of the screws provided, and then go back and fully tighten each previous screw to secure the cabinet assembly. Place the shelf at the desired height inside the cabinet and secure by aligning 2 of the shelf locks to the holes on the right side panel using 2 screws. Then repeat on the left side with 2 additional screws. The height of the shelf can be changed at any time with this process. Now, attach both the right and left door panels using 8 of the screws provided. Attach the lock to the right door by sliding the lock body into the cutout on the door and securing with the lock nut. Then, install the locking latch to the lock body and secure with 1 screw. Repeat steps 2 through 11 to assemble the second cabinet. Once assembly is complete for both cabinets, stack one cabinet on top of the other cabinet, aligning the 4 holes of each corner inside the cabinets. Use 4 of the long screws and 4 of the hex nuts to secure the 2 cabinets together. Insert the 2 mounting bracket tabs into the slots on the back panel. Align the holes and secure using the 4 screws provided. Mount the cabinet to the wall using a FastTrack rail by hooking the mounting brackets onto the FastTrack rail at a slight angle. Then slowly lower the cabinet until it is resting fully against the wall. Your FastTrack 2-door tall cabinet is now ready to use. For additional storage, you can add to your cabinet by attaching accessories to the built-in channels on the cabinet's side panels. For further assistance, reach out to Rubbermaid Customer Service.